Hi friends, today we'll discuss about service tax. First we will learn basic service tax information, and coming to coming to types of industries. There are three types of industries are there, and one is manufacturing, second one trading, and then service. In case of manufacturing and trading, tax will applicable on product like VAT, central sales tax. Okay, and coming to service industries, here tax applicable on service part. Now, so example, installation charges, any legal expenses, any courier service charges. So on that we'll calculate service tax. And coming to service tax registration number is PON based 15 digit alphanumeric number. So example, this is up to here, this is your PON, company PON. This is based on circle, registration circle, the number will allot. And service tax introduced in 1994 under the Finance Act. The service tax rate is 14% and Swachh Bharat cess is 0.5. The total is 14.5 is the service tax rate now. And the Swachh Bharat cess, this is the 0.5, is effect from 15/11/2015. Okay. Example, if you take here example, total value of service is say 5,000 and the service tax is 14% on 5,000 is equal to 700 rupees, and Swachh Bharat cess, this also will calculate on 5,000 is 25. The total service tax is 725. Okay, 725. Okay. And exemptions from service tax. Generally, small service providers whose turnover is less than 10 lakhs. So, small service providers whose turnover is less than 10 lakhs, so not required to register under service tax. And export services. So if you export any service to other country, so the tax will not applicable here. And services provided within the special economic zone. SEZ is the special economic zone. If you so under any customer register under SEZ, if you give service to them, so in that case service tax will not applicable. And service provided to foreign, in that case also service tax will not applicable. In the first option, small service providers, generally if we'll cross 9 lakhs our turnover in particular financial year, then we have to register under service tax. So otherwise not required. Okay, we'll see service tax registration as per the Indian government rules. If the turnover is more than 9 lakhs, so if less than 9 lakhs, not required to register under service tax. During the financial year, every service provider has mandatory to apply service tax registration. Okay, if you cross your turnover more than 9 lakhs, so you have to register under service tax. Tax is payable only when the value of taxable receipts in financial is more than 10 lakhs. In that case only, so we have to pay tax. And registration is necessary to identification of assessee. So if you want to pay service tax, or if you want to deposit, if you want to file, so you need registration number to identify the company. So while paying the service tax, so while paying the service tax using register number, automatically our company name will display. So for that purpose we need the registration. And due date for service tax payment, in case of individual and partnership firms, the 5th of the following quarter. Say example, for first quarter, say April to June, this is the first quarter, we have to pay payable service tax on or before 5th of July, mean following quarter, the 5th of July. Okay, and except individual and firm taxpayers. So for any private limited companies, the tax is 5th of following month. Say for April month service tax, we have to pay before 5th of May. So for companies, we have to calculate monthly, and the payable amount we have to pay next month. Say for April month before 5th of May. In case of firms, quarterly we have to pay. So next, coming to return filing, the service tax returns are to be filled off yearly in the prescribed form ST3. So we'll use form ST3 to file the returns. So based on the what we have paid challans from April to, say we are filing ST3 of yearly, say April to September, we have to file before 25th of October, and off yearly, next off year, second off yearly return October to 31st March, 25th of April. So before 25th we have to file ST3. So ST3 will file based on the paid service tax challans. Say in case of companies, every month we have to pay service tax, we need all the challans. In case of quarter wise, for individual and firms, we need the quarter wise challans. So based on that and service received during the particular period, so we will consider all this and will file the ST3. Okay, examples of services, say there are a lot of services are there, so I'll give some examples. Say event management services, dry cleaning services, transports of goods by air services. These are the services, there is no product here. Okay, and legal consultancy services. So in that case the service tax will applicable. This is the basic information, and this is the important information, and these are the due dates. So when we have to file the service tax offerly return, and due date for service tax payment, and when we'll go for service tax registration. These are the basic things about the service tax. And here we are provided real-time accounting classes for regular and weekend and online batches. And drop an email to wisdom tallyyourpin@gmail.com, and classes will be in English and Telugu languages. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.